Methods to judge the quality of SMT patch proofing. First, check the appearance of the PCBA board's solder joint. Good quality PCBA board. The surface of the solder joint above must be clean, smooth, metallic luster. If there is dirt or residue, it will likely have a certain impact on electronic products, such as easy leakage, often short circuit. This is like mobile phone electronic products in the early stage often appear problems. And later, with the emergence of SMT technology, this phenomenon has gradually disappeared. But if the enterprise does not know this point, there may be this problem. In addition, the judgment of PCBA board is qualified, but also depends on the surface of the burr, gap and dragging tin. If there is, it will affect the appearance of SMT patch proof, but also bring other harm, especially in the construction of high voltage. There may be tip discharge phenomenon, resulting in damage to electronic products. The surface of PCBA board solder joint must be guaranteed to be normal. Otherwise, it is easy to cause virtual welding, false welding, and SMT patch proofing unreliable situation. Second, test the reliability of the electrical connection of PCBA board. When the surface of components form virtual welding for a small amount of alloy layer, it is difficult to find this situation in the test or initial work, but with the growth of the use of time, the contact layer after thorough oxidation, it is easy to de-welding. Circuit when broken, do not work, and so on. At this time, the visual appearance of the circuit board. The circuit is connected, but can not work normally. This is a very troublesome problem in SMT patch proofing, which is also a situation that PCBA manufacturers will be careful to deal with. In order to solve this problem, SMT patch proofing will ensure reliable electrical connection in the manufacturing process, which can greatly reduce the occurrence of this situation. XZH Technology Co. Ltd. is a one-stop PCBA service provider. Subscribe to me to teach you more about PCBA.